Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I want to actually show you a completed bathroom that we renovated here, and I want to show you the unique pieces that make this bathroom amazing. Okay, so in this bathroom, there's a couple amazing things that are really it just came together super nicely, but there's a few key features that make this bathroom really unique and one of a kind. So the first one is actually what's right behind me. So this shower surround is curved, and it's not just curved once, it's actually curved twice. So this is, if you imagine a circle versus an S curve, if you've ever water skied, you know how complicated it is to do an S curve. So this shower is actually shaped, the outer wall is an S and all of the interior walls all curved. So what we had to do in order to make it nice and have a nice flat surface and make it look beautiful was use a small sheet mosaic tile around the entire shower so that it could actually contour to the form. So when we were building this, what the framers actually had to do is drop a nail in the center of the circle and pull a string to the length of the radius and pull a circle all the way around, and then frame and cut the plywood base to that. So it was really well done on the framers for getting it perfectly lined up, and then well done on our tile installers for getting the tile just really well done on that. The second piece is the cabinetry. So what we had in here is this is custom cabinetry actually done by a local shop, and it was done to this specific blue. It's not quite a navy. It's almost between a navy and a robin's egg. It's like a lighter navy, and it's really, it almost has even a shade of purple in it. So this is just a one of a kind, totally unique blue color on the cabinets. And then the mirror frames are actually made out of the same wood by the same shop to match the cabinets. And then obviously the biggest, most noticeable thing in this bathroom when you first walk in is the tub that's like just in the middle of the bathroom. So what we did is, this used to be a big framed out garden tub. So instead that went away, and now it's this freestanding pedestal tub that there's actually room on all four sides to walk totally around it. So this has really opened up the bathroom and made it just feel a lot bigger. So now there's actually room to, put things in the corner, like for some decoration, or, put around it, see we have the leaves on the countertop over there and stuff like that. And really what this did is it totally just blew open this bathroom to the size that it actually is. When you walk in here, you can actually feel how big it is now. Whereas before, having it framed out with the garden tub, I mean, if you've watched my videos, you know how I feel about garden tubs. Before it was framed out, and it literally actually made the bathroom feel smaller. And so with eliminating all that and just going to the pedestal tub, it literally opens up the bathroom, makes it feel bigger. The shower is actually larger than the original footprint, but it's still, the whole bathroom feels bigger. So the other thing that I want to highlight is inside the shower, and we'll show you some close-up shots of this. The way that the stone for the sills had to be cut. First off, we did the multi-tiered sills, like there's one low, one medium, and one high. It really adds, vertical depth. It makes it not boring, right? Like you've actually got some variety vertically there, but then also the way that the quartz is cut, it follows that S-shaped wall perfectly, and we'll show you some close-up shots of that. And then obviously all the niches are curved, so the quartz has a rounded, curved edge on the outside of it as well. So all in all, amazing bathroom, one that we're intending to show you a lot of because it really came out amazingly. So if you're looking for a bathroom remodel yourself, you can go to homelove.construction/design, because this bathroom actually started as a design. Like, this is actually a project where we did the drawings on it, we did the actual conceptual thing. We have a photorealistic rendering that we'll actually show you at the end of this video of what it was going to be versus what it came out to. Pretty good, pretty close. And if you're interested in that, again, you can go to homelove.construction/design to start on the design of your beautiful bathroom today.